where power meets precision. Today, we're diving into the blistering performance and bold design of the 2026 Ferrari SF90XX Stradale. A car that doesn't just push boundaries, it erases them. Starting with the front, Ferrari's latest track-bred monster is nothing short of aggressive. The front fascia has been completely reworked for downforce and drama. You get a race-inspired splitter, carbon fiber air channels, and an intimidating stance that screams purpose. The headlights are slimmer, sharper, and cut right through the air with a futuristic edge. Every angle of the front is designed to keep the car glued to the asphalt at speed. And trust me, this thing moves. Slide around to the side and the aerodynamics don't quit. From massive side intakes feeding the hybrid V8 to the sculpted profile that hugs the ground tighter than ever before, this is Ferrari's most advanced aero package on a road-legal car. Carbon fiber wheels and Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires ensure grip at any speed, while the SF90XX badge on the fenders reminds you this isn't just another Stradale. This is next level. Inside, it's stripped down but still unmistakably Ferrari. The cabin is more track-focused than ever. Carbon racing seats, Alcantara everything, and digital interfaces that feel straight out of a cockpit. The steering wheel houses nearly all key controls, including the Manettino drive selector, launch, control and hybrid mode switches. You're not just driving, you're commanding a machine engineered for precision warfare on the track. It still has a few nods to luxury, but make no mistake, comfort was clearly second to speed here. Now, the rear. This is where things go wild. The SF90XX features a fixed rear wing, a first for modern Ferraris, and a massive rear diffuser for extreme downforce. The quad exhausts sit high, roaring with a distinct electric-enhanced V8 howl that's more aggressive than anything Ferrari's ever built for the road. The taillights have been redesigned, slimmer and darker, complementing the race car aesthetic. Under the hood, or rather beneath the skin, sits the familiar 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 hybrid powertrain, now tuned to a combined output of 1,016 horsepower. 0 to 60? Just 2.3 seconds. Top speed? North of 200 mph. And yes, it still offers brief electric-only drive modes, perfect for sneaking out without waking the neighbors. But don't worry, that won't last long. As for the price, brace yourself. The SF90XX Stradale starts around $850,000, and with options, you're easily breaking the $1 million mark. Limited production ensures exclusivity, and collectors are already circling. That's it for today's breakdown. Let us know what you think. Would you take the XX over a standard SF90? Subscribe for more speed, more sound, and more soul. This is Gearstorm. See you in the next one.